Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. Let's see who this is from. This is a huge bag. Alright. Now we have a tool. See if I can get it out of the bag. Alright. This comes from DPClubs. And it is going to be in 2 parts. And the first part's today, and the next one is next Monday. So, we'll just start with the tool, I guess, and see what's in here. Let's see. Okay. Just love little packages. They're so cute. Hopefully this protected it. I can see what it is. Let me get rid of that. Sometimes the ends, well, I have one right here. Sometimes these ends get bent, but you can bend them right back, so that is not a problem. Guess we're just going to cut our way in this time. Instead of messing with everything else, let me put that up there. So it is one of those lovely little needle minders, and I don't know why they don't put 2 on those. There's a piece of plastic, but I'm just going to leave it on there. But they are so beautiful. So beautiful. They come in round or oval. They have all kinds. Usually have several to choose from. And this was $5.79. Isn't that pretty? Just gorgeous. I think I have another one kind of like that. Hang on. Everything's on my... Yep, I have one just like it. So I will be putting this in a giveaway. So very nice. Very nicely done. I like them. I use them every once in a while. I use them more as a needle minder. But, hey. Alright. So now we have a big one. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. And this one was $23.79. It is a 50 by 89. Oh my goodness. It is so cool looking. It has all the like tree elements and everything. It kind of looks like watercolor, but it's, or a tiger like splashing through the water, but you have trees here, you have water, you have rocks. I'm trying to get it in the light. It's kind of dark, you know, in shades and colors. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. I saw this and I thought, well, that's kind of different. So yeah, comes on a big, huge, ginormous pattern. And it is an 11 count, but this pattern is very, very small. It has 37 colors. I'm looking for no smudges, no smears. I'm looking for that. It does have the instructions on how to start, how to finish. But it comes on a very big, huge piece of paper. So we have 154 mulberry. We have 310 black. We have 823 and 939. That was usually a given. No 3371. We have 3770, which is that butter color. And we do have 3865. So, very nice. I was looking, no reds really. We'll have to see when I look at the colors. But it's going to be confetti, confetti, confetti. Let me show you that. Yeah, you have your big areas, but yeah, all the detailing over here in those trees and everything are going to be, yeah, a pain. And more trees coming down the side in that water. But it does have some big areas to keep you occupied. So we'll just have to take it one step at a time. Okay, what else comes in this kit? Okay, so it does come with a toolkit. 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. We have a bird this time. Very nice. And the threads. I'm trying not to make it crinkle. Does have how big it is and the product number, paper pattern, and canvas, and the thread bag will all match. So your symbols will all be the same. Give me a second, I'll get this out. This is a hunk of thread. Look at all that thread. Oh my goodness. You have kind of oranges and tans and rusts for the tiger. But you have some lighter shades as well. So, but very nice. That is a wad of thread. I don't know if you can see how thick that is. That's probably 3 inches thick. And they do come on the thread drops, if you hadn't noticed. Very nice long threads. You do have some blues in there. That's your 823. There's your 3865. But look at all them cards. Oh my goodness, this might actually need 2 rings. But beautiful, beautiful colors. You have some, I thought that was green, but it's kind of a grayish green, if you will. And then at times it looks like it's blue, so I was having a hard time. But beautiful, beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. Give it a shake. That looks like a horse's tail, I'm telling you. Okay, I will be back. Alright, I am back. I wanted to put that back in that bag before I let go of it. Alright, so this is from that new company. I believe. This time it has the numbers up here. So you have your product number, how big it is. It's 191 by 351. This is huge. It is serged all the way around. I'm making sure. Now see it here, it looks confettied a little bit, but it's not nearly as bad looking as I presumed earlier. But yeah, it's gonna take a hot moment, a real hot moment. Now the serging, it looks like they didn't even cut the material straight there, but it just barely grazes the numbers right from about here down. But you do have your paper pattern. This is long and skinny. Let's look on the back side. Now, I started to say this was with that new company, you know, where they put everything down here, but they put everything at the top. So maybe it's just the new way of packaging threads for these people. But very nicely done. I don't see any smudges, any smears. Yeah, this will be a hot moment. Let me see if I can measure this. I'm not sure that's going to work out, but, you know, heck, we're just going to give it the old college try. So, okay. Let's see here. All right, it is, if I can get there, 85.5 centimeters or 33 inches. Holy cow. It's almost 3 feet wide. I mean long, sorry. By 19.5 inches or 49.5 centimeters. Actual picture size is approximately 17 inches or 43.5 centimeters by. 79.5 centimeters, or I'm working on it, 31.25 inches. So that is huge. But look at that great big place of that yellow. Holy cow, that is a lot of yellow. And that is 939. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Good gravy. I'm going to fold it in half just so I can get it on the desk again. But yeah, I'm very well pleased with this. It looks like it's going to have, put them scissors away before they fall on me. You know, really good definition. That 3 is 310 black. That's like the center, like the bridge of his nose, so to speak. But yeah, very nice. Can't hardly wait. You know this is going to get started. But the nice soft canvas, it is kind of a thicker canvas. So I have no idea where I would start this. Maybe at the top. Maybe. I'm definitely not starting on these two areas. But yeah. Very nice. Now almost cut the numbers off up there. But very nice. I'm glad it surged. I haven't had a problem with fraying. You know, I don't keep it in my hands a lot. Yeah, I do when I stitch, but it doesn't seem like I've had any canvas ever fray at all. All right, so next week will be part 2. Now, DPClubs does have diamond painting. Whoa, thought something was going to fall off my desk. Diamond painting, and I don't know if they have paint by number, and cross stitch. Oh yes, they do have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of them. They do have a separate Joy Sunday section, and they have lots of other crafts. They even have the Christmas stockings, and I'm sure that they're in not several, but a couple different sizes on the cross stitch, because I know they came out with the 16 count ones, so I can't remember what the ones were last year before they started doing all the 16, 18 count stuff. And if they have any specials, or if I have, I'm pretty sure I do, a discount code, it will all go in the description box below. Or it will be at the beginning. Oh, yes, 15% off, so that's pretty good. And they will be having specials, I know, towards the end of the month, because they'll have the Black Friday sales. So do check them out. There's always a lot to choose from. Prices are always great. Thank you all. Thank you, DPClubs, for this beautiful kit and this lovely tool. I do love these. They're just like little pictures, you know, like, you know, people in the 50s, 60s, 70s, you know, had pictures of everybody or different things. So these are just like little works of art. They're just so pretty. I love them. I could just eat them up. All right, guys, thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.